Well, hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works, coming to you after another long delay. So summer's hard to get to this stuff. I've been wrestling with repairs on a riding mower for days and work and this and that. But anyway, still haven't gotten any bench work done. It is what it is. On my last video about the Heartland Model Car Nationals here in Kansas City, a couple of people commented that if I'd said that I'd went to a show and didn't buy anything, they'd think I was lying. And yeah, I bought a few things. It's, again, that tight budget that I'm always on, I shouldn't have, especially in light of other things that have come up that had to be paid as well. But I got some good deals, and this is going to be that stash ad. So, Heartland Model Car Nationals Model Show and Contest stash ads. I bought 4. Been looking for most of them for a while. I won't say any of them are grails, but you know how we are. Some of them are hard to find, some of them cost a little more than others, and some of them you just want more than others. Um, every so often one of them comes at a priority, or you get a good deal, good enough deal that you can't pass it up that day. So these were all on the list, and I got pretty good deals. So I'll go through them. All right, where we at? Oh, I screwed up the stacking them. Number 1 is Rommel's Rod. Um, I love this vehicle. I love track vehicles. I love not so much track vehicles, but vehicles that aren't supposed to be track vehicles. And I mean, I know number 1, it's custom built show rod, but I like the concept and I like the car, and I'm not a military guy, so when I get around to this one, this may be, full on candy paint, chrome rims, whatever. I'm I'm crazy. It's whatever. All right, that's number 1. Number 2, also screwed up in the stack, is Paddy Wagon Show Rod by Monogram. I think I built this once when I was 10, 12, 14. Um, I've always liked the open engine 30s era style show rod cars. I think at some point I'll probably start collecting show rods. Um, some of them I'm not crazy about, but some of them I really like to build. Maybe box stock, maybe my own interpretations. Who knows? We'll find out when I build them. If. If I ever build them. Alright, how about this one? This one is pretty cool too. AMT's Silhouette Show Car with trailer. I just think it's really cool. This one did not come with the decals, but the decals are minimal, so I didn't check it while I was at the show. Oh, by the way, the first 2 were sealed, so, all good on that. This one, I didn't go through it. I hefted it, I opened it up. There were like 47 bags of sprues in it, so I didn't look further. I should have checked for the decals. They weren't there. It is what it is. I should have popped another $3 for the one that was actually sealed, but I didn't, and here I am. Oddly enough, the decals are not in the box art, so, I'll suffer through it. First world problems. Even when you're broke, first world problems. Alright, this one is also sealed. And I like this. I'll explain a little bit about this. This is a Revel, what is this? Porsche Diesel Junior 108. Yeah. Farm tractor. This particular kit does not have cellophane. It is sealed by the stickers on the 4 edges of the boxes. I have an idea. I won't call it a diorama because I don't know. I may think about that someday, but my skills, I'm not good enough at building cars, let alone making grass and rocks and roads and fences and shanties and garages and whatever. But I do have a couple of ideas for displays. One of them is to have a flatbed semi trailer with whatever rig I happen to decide with, uh, farm equipment, heavy equipment. So I have, I'll have another stash ad coming soon that I'm really proud of. That was a grail. Um, I've got a lowboy and I've got a flatbed. I have the bulldozer, and so I want the bulldozer, truck, tractor, semi, or truck, trailer, bulldozer display. I want one of the same. I'm really, really looking for a what's called the heavy duty trailer. I believe it's by Rebel. Um, they're so hard to come by and expensive when you do. Yeah, maybe out of my league for a while. Anyway, I want the John Deere 310 backhoe. Same scenario. And then these, because they're smaller and not the size of a bulldozer, you can get about 3 of these, I think, probably, in that same type of display. Different semi-truck, because, there's 47,000 semi-trucks, which I'm okay with. I've got, I don't know, 6 or 8. And maybe on a pure flatbed trailer, which I have. I think I also have the L700 tilt cab trailer 40 Plymouth, maybe, combo. But yeah, that's my idea for this. I've got a couple of more of these that I want to put my hands on. And then, I have that display on some kind of flatbed or lowboy or whatever with a semi attached to it. Whether they be brand new or used or rusted out, ready for restoration, junk, I don't know. But that's the story of this one. So that's it. 4 kits, all gotten from various vendors that at the, I just call it the Kansas City Model Show, but there are 2 significantly different ones. So Heartland Model Car Nationals, put on by Casey Slammer's Model Car Club. And total, 4 kits. These 4 kits. And to be fair, these aren't particularly expensive kits, but all 4 under, just barely, but under $80. I believe it was $79 for all 4 of these out the door. Kind of proud of that. So I got decent deals on all of them. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment down below. Hell, I don't know. Since the show is in Kansas City, I would like to find some people in the Kansas City area who would like to get together, maybe talk, maybe, I don't know, chat on Facebook, or anybody that might be a member of that KC Slammers Model Car Club. So if you're from the KC area, and I'll give it within an hour of Kansas City proper, I think an hour is good. So out to Topeka even, or St. Joe, or Springfield even. I know Mark Batson, I know you're down there, I think, in Springfield, Missouri. Comment and let me know if you're from around the Kansas City area. I would like to have more live and in-person model car friends. Again, thanks for tuning in. Still trying to hit that 400 mark on the subscribers, so do all those Facebook things. Give me a like, give me a comment. I don't know about to share the video. A lot of people don't do that. I don't particularly share a lot of them. I barely share my own. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment. If you want to share, would be greatly appreciated. If you want to, what's the other one? Hit the notification bell. Yeah, my phone goes off way too much. I don't do that either. So spend some time free from the phone, so don't hit that bell on my videos. if you want to find them, you know where I'm at. I'm here on YouTube. Hit them in the subscriptions. I'll be in the list. That's all I got. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody still has their fingers and toes from the 4th of July. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.